I'm Russ Reeder. I am the new CEO of Infrascale. And with us today, we have Chris Bain, our Chief Solutions Architect, Alan Bertrand, who's our Technical Escalations Manager, and our COO and Head of Product, Brian Kuhn. So we look forward to your questions. I'm just going to cover a high-level overview and then pass it so we can dig into the tech details. So Infrascale is a data protection company primarily focused on backup and disaster recovery. We are focused on our customers' data like it's our own data, making sure that they can access it and protect it at all times. Infrascale started as a cloud-based endpoint backup solution, and in 2011, we started to focus on disaster recovery as well. Since then, we've acquired 2 different companies that helped accelerate our path down the disaster recovery solutions. And we're based just down in Los Angeles. Our headquarters in Los Angeles. We have about 150 employees. We're located in 10 cities in 5 different countries. And we are set up that way to support our partners that we go to market with. We have over about 1,000 partners that represent about 60,000 customers that we deliver our solutions to, that make up about 250,000 VMs or endpoints, as well as going in and storing that data, which represents about 350 petabytes. At Infrascale, we are passionate about our customers' happiness and success. And in order to do that, you first have to understand what your customers' needs are, as well as what their pain is, specifically around downtime and data loss, making sure that their applications can always run whenever they need it, wherever they need it. And we do that focused for small, medium, and large businesses. We go to those businesses through our managed service providers and our value-added reseller partners. So being focused on the customer, that also makes our MSP and VARs our customers. But inevitably, when you have a large channel, you have many direct customers as well. So we're happy to have those direct customers, and we take care of those just like we take care of our MSPs and our VARs. At Infrascale, we have 2 core product lines focused on backup and disaster recovery. For backup, we have our Infrascale Cloud Backup that enables companies that want to back up all their endpoints in any location to the cloud. We allow them to recover down to the file level. We also, because we can track the velocity of change of those files, we've built out some really incredible ransomware protection, and we can notify those administrators of potential threats that may be happening within their infrastructure.
So where do companies typically recover? Back to their own sites or back into other places or into? So
for the Infrascale Cloud Backup, you can recover from the cloud to back to your endpoint. For the next product, our disaster recovery product, you can back up on-prem or in the cloud.
Which clouds do you support?
Can we cover that? Which clouds in the next presentation? Great, thanks. So for the customers that already have their applications in the cloud, for instance, Salesforce or O365 or G Suite, we offer cloud application backup so that they can have another backup for their most important data, as well as meet their data retention needs. Now, our other product line for disaster recovery, we have 2 flavors: Infrascale Disaster Recovery Local, as well as Infrascale Disaster Recovery Cloud, both of which are tailored to customers that want to back up, recover, and also spin up their applications either on-prem or in the cloud. With Infrascale Local, obviously that's just for the local backup and also recovery. But with Infrascale Cloud, you can back up in our cloud or in any other clouds. So here is Infrascale's cloud. We have 9 data centers. Yes. Mm-hmm.
So in the idea locker,
Yes.
does it mean that what do you require? Because if they restore the data locally,
Mm-hmm.
so the replication mechanism is local. So what is the product? I mean, there is a management part that you...
So for disaster recovery local, you can back up as well as recover, spin up your applications and our appliance. So we have physical appliances that we allow you to back up to locally. We also have a virtual appliance where if you have the right infrastructure on-prem, you can run our virtual appliance. And we'll get into more technical details that show you exactly how we make that up. So those solutions are delivered through our 9 data centers around the world. And this is the Infrascale private cloud. But we allow you to take those disaster recovery appliances. You can run them in our data center. You can, and Chris will get into it, you can recover in your data center as well as the public clouds as well. We'll get into that on the technical side.
Does that support GDPR?
Yes. Mm-hmm. So focusing on our customers, we want to make it easy to manage their complexity, where we can help you back up almost any device or VM or environment. And through a single pane of glass, we've had this for many years, you can track where those environments are being backed up to. And this is especially important when we go through our managed service providers that have hundreds, if not thousands of customers, that have hundreds, if not thousands of companies underneath those customers. And so through one application, they can track all the environments they're backing up and what cloud. This is also good for direct customers that have hundreds or thousands of locations where they would like to track what they're backing up and where they're backing it up to. Also, we want to make sure that we keep it easy for our clients.
Do you,
yes.
Do you provide that view into other applications as well, something like VMware vSphere vCenter or something like that?
Yeah, that's a great question. We'll talk more about the technical details of what you can see within our control panel.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have some videos that we can show you of the demo. So.
Yep.
We also we integrate as well to the billing systems and RPA, RMM solutions for our clients to make it easy for them to track, what they're doing. And so, in summary, high-level overview, I really would like you to remember 3 things. Infrascale can help you back up almost any environment. We have the capability to boot within minutes, either on-prem or in the cloud, and we treat your data like it's our own.